Welcome to another episode of Beginner's Barbecue Outdoors. This episode we're doing beef Polish kielbasa wrapped in bacon. Let's fire up the Traeger. So this is the beef Polish kielbasa from Hillshire Farm. There's many different ones that you can grab. This, then I got some bacon. There we go. I saw this at How to Barbecue Right. He did this and I was like, oh, that looks good. I gotta try this. So pretty simple. You'll grab it and then just twist it. And you need 2 strips of bacon for this. Bam, just like that. Just like that. And we'll do the same for the other one. Now that we have our beef kielbasas wrapped in bacon, ready to roll, we're going to put the Traeger to 275 degrees. And I think it's about a half hour. I'm going to have to check it again because it's been a while since I saw the video where the guy showed it and I thought it looked good. And he puts a little glaze, a little barbecue glaze on it to add more flavor. So after it's almost done, we'll put some barbecue on it, on one of them, because I want to try one with barbecue, one without barbecue. And we'll see the difference in both of them. So I was wrong. It's an hour and 15 minutes total time. So I'm gonna check them out 30-minute mark, flip them, and then we wait for an hour and 15 minutes. So for this, I'll be using cherry pellets. So I had to clean out what I had there, and I had Signature Blend, and didn't really like it because Signature Blend has 3 different flavors of pellets, and so I just took that out and went with just cherry. So I'm excited to try this one. This is the first time trying just cherry. So let's turn this on and put it to smoke. Wait about 10 minutes. So I'm about to take these out, and I'm just gonna add a little bit of this Weber rub, a dab on these, just for a little bit of flavor. And one of them's gonna have some Famous Dave sweet and zesty. Just a little bit. There we go, just a dab. This is one of my favorites. Weber Rub, my favorite. Now the Traeger's on temperature, 275. It's a little bit higher, but it'll go lower. Let's put these bad boys in here. Look at that. Yeah, they look good. They look good. So we'll wait about 20 minutes, check them out, and see how they're at. So we're at that 30-minute mark. Let's see how they look. Ooh, look at that. This is how they look after 30 minutes. 30 minutes. So 30 minutes. So it's been 1 hour. 1 hour. One of them. The wife don't like, she didn't want barbecue sauce in hers. So, I just had it on mine. Just a little glaze. Get that glaze of barbecue sauce. Let it set for a few minutes, flip it, and add more barbecue sauce. So it's been a few minutes. Flip this one. And add some more sauce. Do it with one hand. Nice glaze to it. It's going to have great flavor. So now they're done. They're officially done. Great. So now they're done, and they took about an hour and 10 minutes to get all ready. So let's check our progress. This is the one with barbecue. Look at that. Look at that right there. Juicy. Let's try it out. Looks like it might be a little hot. Wow. Got that bacon in there. You got that rubber rub with all those flavors, the barbecue. Wow, this came out really good. This came out really good. One more time. Oh. Give it a 2 thumbs up. I use cherry wood pellets for this one, and they come out great. Well, that's it for this video. Like the video, subscribe, and we'll see you guys next time.